We're gonna do a video with a nice cold start. We'll run through the exterior first. As you can see, I mean, everything's there. Sags a tad bit in the rear. You can tell the leafs are tired, but it still handles well. How straight it is, man. This thing is super straight, and like I said, the front, I didn't patch anything, and it was original paint. It was from about the cab back, where there's a little bit here, but I didn't find any major Bondo in here. As you can see, there's maybe a tad bit. It's probably just paint. But that's metal under there. Now, of course, the seal's bad, but the lip of the whole truck, the bed lip, is in immaculate shape. The taillight's a little dry, but I've a replacement left one, not a right one now. The back tailgate's pretty damn straight. I think there's like a little ding. You can see how dented the bed is here. That's about how bad it is on the inside, so it's not bad at all. No holes, no nothing. Everything's solid through this thing, man. Corners. Damn solid. Camper shell. I mean, the camper shell is dry, but it's intact and it works. Let's see now this one's in a lot better shape. And as for this side, this is where some of the I found the Bondo spots, but you can still see that it's super straight. Saw some up in here a little bit. And then major spots. It's right up in here. But you can see there's nothing around it. It's about a fist-sized spot here, maybe over here as well. The only other thing that looked like a little, pushed in was right here, but you can really barely tell. And it's nothing, too extensive. And the door doesn't look straight, but I mean, it opens fine. It seems a little tight, but nothing opens. Doors are in great shape. Door seals, of course, they're dry, but all the edges are really dry, very, very dry. The worst rust here. As you can see, it's not bad at all. Actually, not the worst rust, I'm sorry. Let's see. Here. Just in the rocker. Just right there. Everywhere else is in really good shape. It's a little dirty, but she runs. This is a cold start. So it might take a couple times, but you know how it is. Let's see. Let's warm up these glow plugs. Come on, baby. Now she shakes a little bit. I did 2 of the motor mounts. 2 more need to be done, but that requires taking out the motor. She shakes when she's cold, but that's completely normal with diesel. to engine bay. Tires are fresh. Still have nipples on them. It's a little dirty in here, but